Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another Maniacs Garage episode. I'm John, Jim, Ryan.
What's up?
And we are gonna be working on the 62 Mercury Monterey today. So you guys watched some of the videos in the past. This is our new project. It's a really sweet patina cruiser.
Yeah.
We're calling it the Arc. We'll have a little bit more about that later as we go along. But today we're gonna, well, we pulled the interior already. It is sitting in a pile over there right now still. So it's supposed to make its way over to an upholstery shop, which just hasn't gotten there yet. So, but today we're gonna pull the motor on this beast. So, and what are the plans with that motor, Jim?
All right, well, first step, we're gonna pull the hood.
No, yeah. But what's the plans with the motor?
Plans with the motor. Yeah. All right, so we're going for really reliability. We're not going for monster horsepower here. We want something that, you know, if my daughter, who's turning 16, wants to take this thing for a ride, that I can be assured that she's gonna be out and be safe and be able to get back home. So with that being said, we're really just doing a freshen up on this engine. We're gonna be pulling the engine obviously first, getting it out, getting on a stand. We're gonna be doing oil pump, timing chain. We're gonna go through the valves, make sure those are all right. And at that point, if it's good to go as far as the engine and what we're seeing, that's as far as we're gonna really dig into the engine. But we're looking at doing a intake and putting a 4-barrel carb on this thing. It does have a 2-barrel stock from the factory. And then we're going to be doing electronic ignition, or I don't know if it's necessarily electronic ignition. It's called pentatonics. It's an upgrade, and it has a generator too. We might do an alternator conversion there, and that's really about it for right now.
All right, boys, so what's first thing to do?
First thing to do is pull the hood.
Open the hood?
Well, open the hood, pull the hood, and then when we get this thing jacked up, we're gonna jack it up, put it on 4 lower jack stands, and then get it up on these bad boys. So it's a lot higher off the ground, so we can go underneath it, no problem.
So you know what's so cool, dude?
What?
Is that I've done all these like custom cars in years past, and I don't think I've ever pulled a motor.
Really?
Yeah, I'm pretty excited.
Yeah.
I can't tell you how many motors I've pulled over the years.
I think it's going to be cool. I'm looking forward
Kids
to it.
blowing up cars, going to the junkyard, getting in the motor, putting new motor
I'll
in
admit it, I haven't either.
Well, at least I got Ryan, so that's good. All right,
how hard can it be? I mean,
let's get started.
all right.
All right, so hood's off, and now we're off to the races.
Yeah.
We need something to put underneath this radiator when we pull it. So I don't think it has a lot in it, or it'd be dump it on the floor.
Oh, you were the master canic.
Master canic?
Master canic. Jim, the master canic.
I've been called worse by better.
And Ryan, the mechanical engineer.
I like that.
Radiator cap.
Yeah, this is a really good deal. This car was a really good deal.
Finding treasures all over the place.
Yeah, free screwdriver, extra radiator cap. What else are we gonna find? Had an empty oil can from the 70s.
Yeah, Schlitz can.
Yeah, and a beer can. All right, I'm gonna put this on a stand so I can get to work myself. How about that? You got the radiator out?
Radiator's out.
Just look good.
It actually looks.
It's like a high flow 800 horsepower radiator.
Yeah, it's all steel.
Nice.
So like anything new today is gonna be plastic on this end, aluminum in the middle, and plastic on the other end, and what I don't know, crimped together. All steel.
Nice.
American muscle.
American muscle radiator, cool. Look at that, just in a few minutes. Radiator's out, battery's out. Ryan's just like, I don't know, wiping dust off over there.
Yep. Not doing much anything. Kind of watching you guys.
All right, what's the next plan here?
Well, we still got some more wires. This tray's got to come out. Power steering over here.
Yep.
And then after that, after we're kind of clear of all this, we're gonna get it jacked up and get it higher in there so we can go under it.
We're separating the tranny?
Yeah.
Okay.
Trying to reach all the bolts on the bell housing.
Oh, the top bolts. I have pulled trannies out before, so
Well, that's cool.
no motors, but trannies.
You're thinner. You can get under there.
Oh, hey, what's up, Maniacs? Just making a breakfast burrito. Hey, but while I have you guys here, why don't we go check out our website for some merch? Head over to maniacsgarage.com, where you will find a full line of t-shirts, hoodies, hats, and more. And if you enter Maniacs10 at checkout, you will receive an additional 10% off. Thanks for supporting this channel, and now let's get back to the video. It's the old Radiator Drive FD88. Oh, it's getting removed. Look at that. It's perfect, dude. 100,000 miles. Hey, Jim, keep your feet under yourself over there. You already on the bell housing?
No. Exhaust manifold.
Exhaust.
See if we can just get it off.
See if we can unbolt the exhaust manifolds from the exhaust pipes instead of Sawzall length.
Engine mounts. Ready?
Sweet.
I'm gonna go to the other side. Is the generator off?
Not yet.
Aw, what are you guys laughing
He wanted me to use the camera.
Oh, I see. I want to show this little trick down here for some of the beginner viewers.
Oh.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Can you see that whole thing right there?
Yeah.
This is a good way to get a little extension, like this. Get you some good leverage. And
It's also a good way to get yourself hurt.
yeah, it could, but it's also a good trick
Yeah.
to do that.
Get yourself hurt.
Yeah. Yeah. Again, don't do this at home.
But here,
We are trained unprofessionals. So hey, dude, 2 engine mounts loosed up.
oh yeah.
Loosened.
Woo!
Jim got an exhaust stud loose.
My boxo glove blew up. Oh no. Engine mounts are out.
Sweet. I don't know.
What was that?
Again, doing the double wrench trick to grab a little leverage and length.
So make sure you're going
Right loose.
lefty loosey. Creeper luge. Those bearings are not made for that weight load.
Those bearings don't have any balls left in them. It's a good thing you're flexible and can touch your toes.
Bell housing removal lunge.
Hey guys,
Yes, Jim.
Yes, Jim.
I really think there's supposed to be oil in here.
We're pulling the starter. I'm not sure why. Jim said it needed to come out, and I believe him.
Yeah, because the bell housing on the engine side, well, I guess that's not the bell housing. It goes around it.
Oh.
So it's going to definitely be a problem.
Oh wow, this thing's gnarly. This is the craziest looking starter I've seen.
Yeah, I've never seen a starter like that. I've never worked on anything from older than the 70s either, so. Besides the 49, but
We didn't have
all
to
we
worry
worked
about
on that
the
was the
starter
body.
on that.
So.
All right, so where are we now? Can we start pulling? We got the bell housing bolts out.
Yeah. It's time to go get the cherry picker.
Dude, the cool thing about this engine hoist is that we got it for free.
How much?
Free! You remember that? So we got it when we got the lift. I bartered for the lift, which was a really good deal. I bartered the old custom exhaust off the 335 that we used for the donor car for the 49. The numbers are getting a little discombobulated. And then this thing was thrown in, so we got an engine hoist. And look, we're actually putting it to use for the first time. Are there steel toes?
Yeah.
Let's test them. Let's test them. Yep, they work. There's not a lot of talking, which means that there's a lot of thinking going on right now.
What is this for?
The gears are grinding. We're gonna make an extension for it right now. Drill it, bolt it, and then move the chain over here. Yeah?
Yeah.
All right. extendo. Well, not so instant. It was
Pretty quick.
All right, guys. Well, hey, so we got to the end of this episode. Engine is out of the 62. Next week, gonna start disassembling it and making a parts list, some Go Fast goodies. So hope that you guys will come back for that one. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe, thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we'll see you in the next one. Later.